Welcome to the Depths of Erendorn monthly development log for October 2024. Throughout this video we'll be looking through some of the work completed by each of the departments over the last month, as well as taking the time to summarise the effort needed to create a brand new online RPG. Let's get into it, starting with 3D modelling. Throughout the month, the 3D modelling team at Depths of Erendorn has made significant progress on the creation and refinement of the Minotaur character variants. The team began with a blockout of the heavier armoured Minotaur, establishing strong proportions that reflect the creature's intimidating presence. Detailed sculpting followed, particularly on the heavily armoured version, with each piece carefully crafted for a powerful and bulky aesthetic. Simultaneously, the team developed a distinct lower-level armour set designed to give the Minotaur a menacing visual even in early encounters. With sculpting complete, the team moved on to retopologizing and optimization, ensuring high visual fidelity while maintaining performance efficiently within the game. October had the set-piece design team at Depths of Erendorn make substantial progress in enhancing the game's settlement environments. Notably, the team introduced a spiky wooden fence to the residential zones, providing both a functional and aesthetic element that strengthens the area's defensive atmosphere. As they finalised PLA assets, the team further enriched the authenticity and character of these spaces, ensuring they feel immersive and lived in. The asset library was also expanded, with some carefully optimised Megascan assets, tailored to meet the game's aesthetic and performance needs. Throughout October, the client team at Depths of Erendorn made substantial progress in enhancing both the technical performance and overall player experience. A key focus was refining social functionality, including the introduction of a context menu in the social panel, which simplifies player interactions and management of in-game relationships. Alongside these improvements, the team resolved critical issues like desynchronization of character movement and optimized message types, leading to a smoother and more reliable gameplay. The session switching overhaul enables seamless transition between different game environments while maintaining social connections, ensuring uninterrupted interactions with friends. UI enhancements included the addition of new utility bar icons, updated ability tooltips, and fixes to display issues, contributing to a more intuitive and visually appealing interface. The team also worked on enhancing dungeon entry from the open world, offering a more immersive exploration experience. October saw the server team at Depths of Erendorn make significant advancements in optimizing core gameplay systems and enhancing overall performance. A major achievement was the successful implementation of new player-facing server architecture, ensuring seamless compatibility across game servers and client clusters while resolving several critical bugs. Efforts to optimize server-to-server communication and reduce message sizes resulted in a significant reduction in client wait times, greatly improving responsiveness. The team also focused on refining key gameplay mechanics, including the rework of the Void Flicker ability, improvements to enemy pathfinding, and the development of new generic abilities to expand player strategies. In addition to this, ongoing work on dungeon generation saw critical bugs resolved, enhancing the overall dungeon experience. On the server side, back-end support for friend commands was completed, enabling more interactive player connections. Other notable improvements included NPC movement, combat updates, and inter-server communication, all contributing to smoother gameplay, particularly in combat scenarios. The animation team made significant strides through October, enhancing character realism and improving animation fluidity across the game. A substantial effort was dedicated towards refining skeletal meshes for new hairstyles and resolving rigging issues, with close collaboration between the animation and 3D modelling teams to ensure seamless integration. The team focused on improving the realism of character movements, incorporating physics into clothing and hair for more natural and dynamic animations. Skinning issues, particularly for human characters, were addressed, resulting in smoother, more lifelike motions. The team also worked on synchronizing hair meshes with character models, ensuring cohesive and responsive movement. To streamline workflows, an animation set scene was developed for more efficient reviews. Notable updates included refining the dirt-kicking animation to feel more grounded and natural. Additionally, the team began transferring animations to other character classes, standardizing generic animations to ensure consistency across character types. Over the past month, the VFX team at Depths of Erendorn has made notable progress in enhancing the visual impact and clarity of in-game effects. The team focused on refining visual effects for key abilities, including Quick Strike and Incision, ensuring that these abilities are both impactful and balanced in their presentation. Significant attention was given to the levelling up effect, which was redesigned to include an upward motion that remains visible from varying distances, catering to players who frequently zoom in and out. This update enhances the sense of progression and makes the effect feel more dynamic and rewarding. Alongside these fixes, the team explored new visual effects concepts, particularly for magic creatures or constructs with prominent shoulder designs, such as the Arcane Giant. The sound team at Depths of Erendorn has made significant strides in refining the game's audio landscape, enhancing player immersion throughout October. A key focus was on the creation and testing of new sound effects, including drafts for the max XP and levelling up sounds. A celebratory fanfare was included for the levelling up to highlight moments of achievement. The team also began developing a range of bass-heavy magic effects, laying the groundwork for spell sounds that provide greater impact, moving away from a sci-fi tone in favour of a more fitting fantasy aesthetic. Additionally, fresh source material was recorded for various abilities, adding to the growing library of raw audio assets for future designs. Finally, the concept team at Depths of Erendorn made notable progress on several fronts throughout October. Work began on new armour pieces for the Twilight Elf Assassin, Earthen Dwarf, and Forest Druid, each receiving dedicated attention to ensure their design reflect their unique characteristics and roles within the game. These new concepts will further enrich character customization and add a variety to the game's armour sets. Additionally, the team completed a Halloween-themed social post, creating a spooky yet entertaining image that brought seasonal excitement to the Depths of Erendorn community. That wraps up this video development log for October 2024. We hope you've enjoyed. Much more work has been completed throughout the month that we could not fit into this summary. Following the link in the description will take you to the Depths of Erendorn website, where you can read more about the work completed by our developers. Also, for daily updates, follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and Reddit, or join our Discord server. Have a good one, and we'll bring you more next month.